Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink Xbox account from FiveM. So the first step is to launch the FiveM on your PC and wait for it to be fully loaded. And then next is to click on the settings icon, which is the gear icon, located in the top right corner of the main menu. And then this will open the settings panel where you can manage all your FiveM configurations and account connections. So next is go to account settings. So in this settings menu, just look for the account or profile section. So this usually found in the left sidebar or top navigation tabs. So you just have to click on the account settings to view all your linked accounts and authentication methods. So you will just see all currently connected platforms like Xbox, Discord, or Steam. Next is find Xbox connection. So you just have to scroll down to find the connected account section and then look for Xbox account N3 in the list of linked accounts. So you will see your Xbox gamer tag displayed next to the Xbox logo. There should be an unlink or disconnect button next to it. So you just have to click on it. So click on the unlink or disconnect button next to your Xbox account, and then a confirmation dialog will appear warning you about the consequences. So you just have to read the warning carefully, as linking may affect your saved progress or character data on some servers. Lastly is in the confirmation dialog, just click on confirm or yes, and then unlink to proceed with unlinking your Xbox account from FiveM. So your Xbox account will be immediately disconnected, and then you can restart FiveM to verify the unlinking was successful. So you can also always relink your Xbox account later if needed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!